stockbroking phrases. In last class we done the banking phrases, so now we are doing the stockbroking phrases. So first phrase is bearer shares. So for bearer we make the outline like B and downward R, bearer, then shares SH with R hook and S, shares. Next is come dividend. So come, C, K and am, come dividend, D with V hook, dividend. Next blank transfer. For blank we use the BL stroke. So first we have to make the outline for transfer, then TR, trans, NSFR, transfer, and BL, blank. Clear? Intersection. Okay, we use the method of intersection here. So blank, transfer. Next is cumulative preference shares. So cumulative, K, M, cumulative, then preference, intersection, PR, preference and shares, then SR and S, shares. Buying for control. Buying, BNG, buying, TRL, control. Buying, control. Next is day to day money. So for day we make the stroke D, then a 2 ka omission, then again day. So similarly we make the stroke D and money, M and money. Next is capital liabilities. Capital. So K, P half length and L capital and disjoin करके liabilities, then B S, liabilities. Demoralized markets. So D, moralized, M, upward R, then markets, MR, K and S, half length of K and S, markets. Demoralized markets. Carry over facilities. So K, upward R, carry, over, and facilities, F, SL and TS, facilities. Next is director's qualification. So DR, directors and qualification, hook. Concentrating plant. So S N, then TR, CSN, then half length of TR and half length of P, L and N hook. Concentrating plant. Next is dots per ton. P per VR and P R, then T N for ton. ठीक है. Next is consolidated annuities. So S L, then D, consolidated annuities, N T S. X, dividend. So A X, dividend, D V, dividend. Next is convertible gold bonds. So VR, convert, then able, convertible gold, and B ends, B bonds, and this is prefix. ठीक है, for con. So convertible gold bonds. First mortgage debentures. First mortgage, and for debentures, debentures. Funded debt. So F and N, funded, then D and T, debt. Prospectus right. Prospectus, then rights. Prospectus, then RTS, rights. Granted preference. G and upward R, granted preference. PR and preference. Next is reduction plant. R, D, and for PL and N, plant. Interim dividend, interim and dividend. Second preferences, shares. So this is second for preference, PR and shares, PRSA, shares. Second preference, shares. Letter of regret. For letter, doubling principle, letter of का omission, then regret, GR and T, regret. Seeking fund, S N, seeking, S and ing, seeking, NG, and for fund, half length of N with N hook. Seeking fund. Low yielding securities. So low, then yielding, Y and Y, then S, K, S. Securities. L, then Y and SKS securities. Sinking operations. So S ink, sinking, then P R Shanhook with circle S, operations. Next is non-cumulative preference shares. Money, a drug on the market. So first we make the outline for money. M and money, then drug, DRG, drug, on the commission, and then market. So MR and half length of K. Then is special settlement. So special and STMN and half length, settlement, special settlement. Now non-cumulative preference shares. So ये हो गया हमारा non, then cumulative K M, cumulative. Next is preference के लिए PR and shares. So SR and circle S. Stock and share market. Stock, so STK, stock, and commission, then share SHR, and M upward R and half length of K. Professional bear account. For professional, we make the P with R hook and bear, B downward R and account. Stocks and shares. So ST का loop with K, stocks, ठीक है, सर्कल S, एंड यहीं से शेयर्स SHR एंड S, शेयर्स. ठीक है, इसको इतना शेयर्स. नेक्स्ट इज प्रोफेशनल bull account. So for professional we make the P with R hook, then bull, BL, B with L hook, bull, then account. Stock exchange. So ST का loop with K and X change. Proportion of resource, proportion of reserve to liabilities. Proportion PR, then P, then reserve S R and SR L, lie, and for liabilities disjoin करके BS. Proportion serve liabilities. Next is subscribed capital. SB subscribed, and for capital we use the stroke K. Then is surplus profits. So S upward R, sur, plus, then P with L hook, and surplus S, and for profit TS, surplus profit. Okay, next is upward movement. So P and W in half length, upward movement. So V and MN in half length. Yield percent, yield and PR per SN percent, yield per ton. So yield, then PR per T with N hook, ton, yield per ton. ओके, सो ये हो गए हमारे स्टॉक ब्रोकिंग फ्रेजेस.